nighttime, and the big dark blue sky is filled with sleepy feelings. Look, here comes Mochi the bunny, and oh, he looks so very sleepy. His long ears are drooping, and he's giving a big, wide yawn. It must be time for bed. Mochi hops across his room and sees his wonderful bed. It looks so soft, so warm, so cozy and inviting. The pillows are fluffy like clouds, and the blanket is waiting to give him a warm hug. Mochi whispers, "Good night, bed." Thank you for being so comfy. Next to the bed, Mochi sees his favorite toy. It's a little orange carrot, just the right size for cuddling. He gives it a gentle pat with his paw. "Good night, my little toy," he says softly. "You were so much fun to play with today." The room is still a little bit bright because the lamp is on. It's a cheerful yellow lamp, shining its light all around. Mochi reaches up with his paw and, click, he pushes the little button. Now the room is dark and quiet, perfect for sleeping. Mochi wiggles his little nose and peeks out the window. What does he see? Whoa, it's the moon. 2. The moon is big and round and shines with a beautiful white light. It looks like a giant pearl hanging in the sky, watching over him. And look, all around the moon are tiny, sparkly friends. The stars. They are twinkling and glittering, like tiny diamonds sprinkled across a dark blue blanket. Mochi smiles at them. "Good night, beautiful stars," he whispers. "You are so pretty." Finally, Mochi climbs into his bed. He pulls the warm blanket all the way up to his chin. He snuggles down, closes his eyes, and lets out a tiny, happy sigh. Soon, he is fast asleep, dreaming sweet bunny dreams. Good night, Mochi, and good night to all of you, my dear friends. Sleep tight.